Day 4. It hurts. Day 4 hurts worse than the second and the third. Damn it. And I don't feel good either. Just got done doing my exercises. Ate breakfast, about to take a pain pill. Got ice packs on me. It's not a good way to wake up. Not getting much sleep. I'll check in later. It's 9:25 right now. Right. Somewhere around there. So we're day 4. Woke up stiff. Still not getting good night's sleep. Getting up every couple hours, go to the bathroom, or just pain. The incision site hurts like a mother fudge. Everywhere around it, hamstring. I got a picture of the bandage they put on there. I'll get a picture of the bone and share that later. With that one, I won't go back to the doctor until the 9th. I won't keep making these stupid videos every day. Unless something drastic happens, like a hip dislocation or I fall in the shower. Hopefully that doesn't happen. But anywho, yeah, so the whole thing's still stiff, sore. After I do the physical therapy, which is just little leg exercises, it hurts. Still stiff. But yeah, the main part is that, like right now, I did take a shower today against my will. The incision site is just freaking, it's just like a rock, and it's just so painful just to the touch. So I spent a couple hours. I haven't taken pain pills since 1:30. I will be taking one at 6:30. Maybe 7, just to spread them out a little bit. Once again, getting up, I'm getting lightheaded. But it's not as bad as that first time when I was saying that. I was getting lightheaded, especially when you're downstairs by yourself. It's kind of scary in case you fall. I was worried about that in the shower, but Lindsay was there to cheer me on. She won't give me my tooth to fill that cap in. I don't even know what she did with it. So anyway, I'm just dry mouth all the time from the meds. Not getting shit for sleep. I'll put a movie on and then start falling asleep. I will say, I forgot how funny Frasier was. I was watching that today for a couple hours. So anyway, knee pain, it's down to about a 2 when it is hurting. And it's right underneath the kneecap. Ankle has been itchy today, which is shitty because it's on the one foot I can't bring up to scratch. Surgery leg. Hip, same stuff as before. The quad is just hurting like no other. Any exercise I do that I have to do 2 to 3 times a day, maybe I'll cut down to 2 times a day, because the 3 days, every time I do it, it hurts so bad. But is that the old no gain, no pain? No pain, no gain? No diarrhea, something like that? Anywho, I'll probably keep doing it 3 times just to make sure I'm on it. Because I using a strap to lift my leg up last time on my left leg, they didn't say to use a strap or the leg lift to help lift your leg up on a few of these exercises. Excuse me, I'm freaking cotton mouth. And I always talk like I got shit in my mouth. But anywho, they didn't tell me I could use a strap. And the physical therapist, she told me, yeah, use a strap. Why don't you? It makes it easier. Well, because you guys didn't tell me this last time. But things do change in the years. So anywho, I'm rambling on, going back to find a movie to watch. Thanks for watching. Maybe tomorrow there'll be one. Maybe there won't be. If it's uneventful, which I hope it is, there won't be.